Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today, I'll talk about managing your debts with our Debt Snowball tool. Feeling overwhelmed by multiple debts? Unsure where to start or how long it'll take to pay them off? You're not alone. That's why we built our debt management tool featuring the popular Snowball method. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to easily add your debts, visualize your payoff plan, see your estimated debt-free date, and discover how much interest you can save. Let's start tackling that debt together. The Debt Snowball tool can be found by clicking on Tools at the top of the page. The Debt Snowball method works by paying off your smallest debt first, then taking the payment from that debt and applying it to the next one. This continues as you keep paying off debts, creating a snowball effect that builds momentum as you knock out each debt. At the top of the Debt Snowball page, you'll see a green box that has the Add Debt button as well as some information about your debts. This additional information includes the total of your monthly debt payments, any additional money you're contributing each month, and how your debt snowball is managed. The additional monthly payment amount will include any manually set amount, plus the sum of your completed debts. The Debt Snowball method encourages you to pay off your lowest balance first, but that may not be what works best for your financial mindset. You can change the sorting method as needed by clicking on the Sorting By link. All of your existing debts are shown in the list below. Under the debt name is a date for when the debt will be paid off, and how much interest is remaining. Hovering over the interest amount will show how much interest you'd have remaining if you weren't using the snowball method. The next column is the monthly payment amount. If you have additional contributions to make to your debts, you'll see the suggested payment amount shown. The final column is a little visual progress indicator showing you how much of the debt you've paid off. Under each debt are 4 links to perform various actions. The payment link will show a form to record a payment you made to the debt. You can also enter any additional payments to the debt that aren't included in the normal monthly payments. The history link shows the payment history for the debt, including any additional payments, and the edit and delete links let you modify the debt. If you've already paid off a debt, it's shown in the completed debt section, and the amount you were paying for those debts is included in the additional monthly contributions. Adding a new debt is very easy. To start, click on the blue Add Debt button at the top of the page. Enter a name for the debt, what the current balance is, the minimum monthly payment, and finally the interest rate. Let's pretend I just bought a new car and want to track the loan details. I'll enter car loan as the debt name, a balance of $35,350, a monthly payment of $504 at an interest rate of 2.7%. When the debt is added, you'll see it shown in the debt list below, sorted based on your preferred snowball sorting method. For those of you who really like to take a deep dive into data, we offer a payoff table that shows exactly how the snowball method affects your debts. To see this, click on the View Full Payoff Table link. The first box shows you a comparison of your debt payments with and without the snowball method. Using our example debts, we'll be debt-free 6 years sooner while saving over $13,000 in interest by using the snowball method. The next table shows a breakdown of each month, the various debts, and how much is being contributed to each one. As a debt gets paid off, the next debt gets that monthly payment added to it. You can also see how the overall debt balance is reduced each month. To experiment with how various adjustments may affect your snowball, you can use the filtering form. Click on the slider icon at the top of the payoff table box. The adjustments you can play with include changing how much of an additional payment you make each month, adding a one-time payment, and excluding any debts from the snowball. To see how this works, we'll add a $1,200 one-time payment for May 1st. Perhaps I'm planning on receiving a big tax refund and want to apply some of that to my debts. Before committing to that, I want to see how much that will save me. When I update the payoff schedule, you'll see that it shows my student loan debt will be paid off in August instead of in September. This is an easy way to see how different scenarios will adjust your debt payoff without actually changing anything with your real debt snowball. The amount of debt you've entered into the Debt Snowball tool is also used when calculating your net worth. As you pay off your debts, you'll see that section of your net worth decrease, which actually increases your net worth. There's also a Debt Snowball gadget you can add to your account dashboard. It shows much of the same information as the actual tool, so you can quickly see the progress you've made toward paying off your debts. If you have any additional questions about the Debt Snowball tool, you can visit the Help section and check out our dedicated knowledge base article that covers all aspects of the Debt Snowball tool.